If you're a musician in a need of money, you need cash, right? Everyone needs cash, everyone loves cash. People are wondering, oh, man, I'm a producer, but how am I supposed to make any money? Like, I don't know, I'm not a big artist. Well, you just upload your song through DistroKid and it will get traction if it gets your playlist. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, DistroKid. Have you heard about it? Probably, because DistroKid is literally the best distribution website to distribute your music to stores. So a couple of days ago, DistroKid reached out to me and they wanted to sponsor this video. I'm like, oh my god, I love DistroKid and I would love to make a video about this. So this video is obviously sponsored, but I still will give you my honest opinion. I don't want this video to be in any way impacted that this is a promo video. I use DistroKid to distribute all my songs. I use DistroKid to make money out of my music. I've been using this since, I don't know, I'm using this second year and I'm really happy. It's a really great website. I really enjoy it. In this video, I wanna just do a complete review. I want to go into each tab, show you each function, and show you how much money I make on streaming services. So you can easily count how much money you can make. And is it possible to live out of making music? I think that's true. First thing you'll need to do is to make an account. So straight up, link is in the description, it's 7% off. It's kind of funny because the membership on DistroKid is so cheap for a year that it's even funny to get a discount on it. But if you go to the description, first link on the top is a 7% discount of each of these plans. We'll first of all compare plans and then we'll jump straight into how much money you can make out of making music. This is what people are curious about most of the time. First of all, DistroKid allows you to upload unlimited songs, which is amazing, for $35.99. If you use a discount, even cheaper. For 1 year, you can upload as many songs as you want. You'll get Spotify verified checkmark. You can upload unlimited lyrics. You can sync lyrics for Instagram. If you use Musician Plus, which I highly recommend, you get daily sales stats. You can customize your label name. Yes, you can have your own label name. You can customize release date, which is really important because if you set a release date more than 7 days, it'll go to Spotify. And if you go to Spotify artist website and you can send your song, if it's scheduled more than 7 days, you can schedule to be considered to be put on playlists. So for example, we have a song coming up in 2 weeks. You send it to Spotify through DistroKid. You send it to people who are playlist curators and they take care of your music and they consider it for playlists. So even if you're starting out and these people on Spotify, they say, oh, this is a really cool song, we're gonna put this into playlists. Your first release can get a lot of streams. That's amazing, right? Other things. Customizable pre-order date, customizable iTunes pricing, and you can have 2 artists or bands. If you're a label, you can have up to 100 artists. So let's dive inside. First of all, what DistroKid offers you. My music, this is what I've uploaded. Teams, if you have a team, you can split revenue, that's cool. Stats, this is interesting, right? Here's how many people listen to me on Spotify, which I'm highly appreciated. On Apple Music, and if you go to iTunes and Amazon, you can see here how many people have bought your song. Did you know that people still buy songs? It was really unexpected that people are still in this year buying songs. Cool, so this is what it looks like. 15 people bought. I would never expect that. So upgrade is obviously if you want to upgrade to a higher plan, and bank is where you have all your money. So for example, in this case, I made $32 and I made this low because I'm not focusing mainly on making music, but on delivering tutorials for you and on making samples and sounds. If I focus on building artist presence on the internet, it'll be much more money here, but well, I'm making samples and tutorials. That's cool also. So what's cool here is that $32, basically it covers, if you use a discount, it covers the musician plan of the DistroKid. So you basically, it's free, but you're gonna probably make much more money than I did. So basically DistroKid allows you to, you get your own Spotify for artists and Apple Music for artists, app that you can log into, and you can manage your account, and you can set pictures, backgrounds, you can do all sorts of cool things that you normally wouldn't be able to do. That's really cool. So I'm gonna open Spotify quickly and show you what my page looks like. It's pretty cool, it's pretty clean. You can set all of these. You can set your bio, you can put here whatever you want, you can put links, you can put pictures, background pictures. You can, as you can see, I can edit profile. I'm gonna show you uploading process, what it looks like, and it's amazing. If you want to upload your music, it's really simple. You upload to all stores, right? You can choose how many songs you want. Has this been previously released? No, yes. Artist and band name. You choose your artist name. If you upload it first time, you'll be able to create your artist name in Apple Music and in Spotify. You set here release date. You can set whenever you want this to be released. So as you can see here, setting your release date to at least 1 week in the future increases your chance of getting added to playlists. So this is what I've been talking about at the beginning. Really cool. Record label. This is cool because you can set here, you can choose your own like record label. You can come up with something random. I came up with Unknown Realities, kind of cool. And then you upload album cover, language, genre, secondary genre, song title, obviously. Read all of these. This will guide you so you don't make any mistakes. Audio file. If you're a songwriter, you type your real name. If someone is using your song on TikTok, you can set, well, the drop starts in 35 seconds. So you go and set this here. That's a cool feature. And you can set track price. Some additional options like Shazam and iPhone Siri. All of these, this is optional, but awesome. And basically you check this all and it's done. It'll be uploaded whenever you set the release date. And that's amazing. It's simple. It's so simple. It appears in stores really quickly. So if you want to make a DistroKid account, again, I highly recommend go to my description. There's a 7% code. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.